How I spent $200 to make $1,110 with Google Ads. Let's dive into this video. So here are the results of what happened with this campaign I did very, very recently. This is a campaign I'm done with. I'm not going to do anymore. If you want to do it yourself, do it. But I cannot make any promises for you. Plus, a lot of people most likely will see this video. Even if 100 people sees this video, then a percentage will do it. Also, you have competition. But there's a lot you can learn from this. I hope this inspires you guys to take action. So here are the results. Total ad spend in total was around $200. So I just put $200. And then my total earnings with this offer is $1,110. It's not a crazy big campaign, and I could do campaigns like this all the time, and I most likely will, because I know, because I talk to a lot of you guys, and you guys want content like this that's relatable. Not the big numbers of me showing all the big numbers I'm making, but instead of me showing the smaller campaigns. And I can do these campaigns whenever I want. Literally, I see the opportunities everywhere. You know, if it does the job of inspiring you guys, then fine, I'll do it, you know. And so I wanted to do this campaign. It only took me 20 minutes to set up this campaign, bro. It's a freaking great offer, and this is one of the biggest offers on Max Bounty. Plus, it's on other networks and other CPA networks you can go and run on. It's this offer right here, and it's called the Nutrisystem, and this offer crushes it. It's one of the biggest offers out there, especially in the health niche, and it pays a lot. It pays out $185. Now, if you saw my results back here, you'll see I got 6 leads, and it pays per lead, per sale type thing that qualifies. All I got was just 6 leads. $185 times 6 equals $1,110. That's how much I made. Now this right here, this is Google AdWords. And so Google Ads is a very powerful traffic source. And you guys can make racks when you use this traffic source, because they just have so many ad placements you can put your ad on. Plus they have so many websites that they have placements on for you to run ads on. It's just a massive traffic source. And Google AdWords is also YouTube ads and Gmail ads, and Google display ads and search ads and so many more. And so there's just so much opportunity with Google ads. Like, most people just know about Facebook ads, but Google ads is where some of the biggest opportunity is, other than content marketing and other than adult marketing. Those are like the 3 things I do, which is Google ads, adult marketing, and content marketing. Now here is the winning ad. This ad I made myself. And you'd probably in first glance be like, oh, that ad looks too simple. But simple makes money, and congruency makes money. So when they see this ad and then they click my affiliate link, they just click the ad, they click the ad and then they go to the offer, it's congruent all the way across. You can go look at their website and you'll see it looks very similar to what my ad looks like. And this is a wonderful offer that they're running here. I made sure the colors were congruent through and through. And it's just such a good offer. And therefore, it's so easy to advertise the offer. Does that make sense? Here's some of my secrets to the success. So I hyper-targeted my ads on every women's health niche website. And then I tested very, very small. And I analyzed the data, you know, very, very logically. And I kept things just super duper simple.